real estate has created more millionaires than any other investment in history. But here's the truth. Most beginners make the same costly mistakes that stop them from building wealth. If you've ever wondered, should I invest in property? Where do I start? Do I need huge capital? Well, stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll break down a step-by-step guide to investing in real estate the smart way. Whether you're in the US, UK, Canada, or Australia, this works globally. Let's dive in. First things first, start with education. Learn basic terms like cash flow, ROI, rental yield, and appreciation. It's really important to understand the local market trends before investing. Next up, choose your strategy. You could go for rental properties and buy and hold for monthly income. Or maybe you'd prefer fix and flip, buy low, renovate, and sell high. And if you want to invest without owning physical property, consider REITs, which are real estate investment trusts. So, when it comes to financing, there are a few tried and true methods to consider. You could go for traditional mortgages, which honestly is the route most people take. Or, if you're open to something a bit different, there's house hacking. Basically, you live in one unit and rent out the others to help cover your costs. And hey, don't forget about partnerships or even real estate syndicates, where you team up with others to invest together. Now, let's talk about managing risk, because that's super important. Always, and I mean always, keep a cash reserve handy for unexpected expenses. It's also smart to diversify across different markets so you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. And seriously, don't over-leverage. Borrowing too much can really backfire if things don't go as planned. Here's a simple action plan to get started. Begin with something small, like a single rental property. As you start earning, reinvest those profits to grow your portfolio. And remember, think long-term. This is all about building wealth over time, not overnight. If you've been waiting for the perfect time to start, the truth is, the best time was yesterday, and the next best time is today. Start small, educate yourself, and let real estate work for you. If you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance and investment tips, and drop a comment with your real estate questions.